Welcome to the Snowflake Console Tour. This guided walkthrough is designed for beginners and will take approximately 6 to 8 minutes. It's embedded directly within Snowflake's Web-Based User Interface (UI) and will introduce you to the platform's core navigation, tools, and workflows. No prior knowledge is assumed, so let's dive in and get you familiar with Snowflake. To access the Snowflake Console Tour, start by logging in to your Snowflake account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Help menu, which is usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Look for options like Getting Started or Help within that menu. Within the menu, you should find an option that says Console Tour. Click it to begin the interactive guided tour. The console's left sidebar is your primary navigation hub in the Snowflake interface. Here you'll find the Worksheets section, which is used for write and execute SQL queries. Here you'll find the Databases section, which is used for manage schemas and tables. Here you'll find the Warehouses section, which is used for manage compute resources. Here you'll find the History section, which is used for track query execution. The tour will guide you through switching between these tabs, explaining each section's purpose with helpful tool tips. The tour begins by showing you how to create a new worksheet in the Snowflake console. This is your workspace for writing and running SQL queries. Next, the tour helps you write a simple select statement to retrieve data. Even if you're new to SQL, the tour provides step-by-step guidance. For instance, selecting specific columns from a customers table. Once you've written your query, the tour shows you how to execute it by clicking the Run button. The results are displayed immediately in the worksheet, making it easy to visualize the data you've retrieved. Throughout this process, the tour offers helpful tips and guidance, making it accessible even for those unfamiliar with SQL. Warehouses are Snowflake's compute engines, responsible for processing your queries. The tour explains how virtual warehouses work as on-demand compute resources. You'll learn the importance of sizing your warehouse appropriately for your workload. And crucially, how to suspend warehouses when they're not in use to optimize costs. Cost optimization is a key feature of Snowflake. This three-layer architecture shows how compute services, including warehouses, work within Snowflake's cloud infrastructure. Here's how multiple compute warehouses can process data in parallel, optimizing performance and efficiency. The tour introduces fundamental Snowflake principles like zero-copy cloning, which allows you to create instant copies of your data without duplicating storage. This feature lets you clone tables or databases instantly across environments like development, integration, and production without using extra storage space. Unlike traditional architectures that require physical copies, Snowflake's multi-cluster shared data model enables efficient cloning and processing. It also highlights data sharing capabilities, enabling you to securely share data with other Snowflake accounts. Through secure shares, you can grant read-only access to specific databases or schemas across different accounts without moving the data. These features are core to Snowflake's unique architecture, separating storage and compute for optimal performance and security. The Snowflake Console Tour is constantly evolving to reflect the latest UI updates and features. Expect to see continued integration of AI and low-code, no-code tools in the future. Remember to explore Snowflake's Quick Starts library for more in-depth learning. The Console Tour is your starting point to unlock the power of Snowflake. And with the inclusion of accessibility improvements like screen reader support, Snowflake is working to provide a more inclusive environment